Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Big Top in the midst of a hurricane. But there's something special. We have boxes full of many things. We have a box with a YD100 in it. Motorbike. We have a box that has an exhaust pipe. We have a set of forks. We have a seat. Handlebars. A widened crank set. That is to accept the European crank set. No, that's for the forks. Okay. Double pull handlebar mount. Ooh, fancy. Black fenders. Mag wheels. Single speed. 44 tooth. And one fluorescent bike frame. Let the build begin. Okay, we're putting the forks on, the wheels, and the lower bracket. Now, the lower bracket, we bought that from CDH, and you have to knock it in with wood and a plastic mallet before trying to pull it in with the Allen bolts, because if you don't, you'll strip them out. It's a pretty hard pull. So just want to let y'all know that, that's all. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bicycle Motor Works, big bore engine. You can see they did the Allen bolt upgrade on it and everything, and I'm kind of impressed with the inside port work they did on the transfer ports. Everything's chamfered good. The top of the cylinder's cleaned up good. There's nothing we got to do to this. We're leaving this alone. Now they did leave a little bit right there. I might take that out, but other than that, that's all. Yeah, they should have cleaned that up, but that's the only thing I can find on this. The piston was actually incorrect, and you know, everyone I've ever seen so far has always been backwards. So they did go into the engine. They did do some transfer port work, which looks really good, and how they slope it to the back like they're supposed to. So yeah, that looks pretty good. I think this is going to run. So we're going to clean that up and we're going to put it back together. All right, these are just some little extra touches that I'm putting onto the jug, so it's not so plain Jane. We did paint it black with engine paint, kind of go with the rest of the bike. It actually came out pretty sweet. Okay, we're getting it together. I just wanted to show This is the oil light bushing. This is what it looks like before I put it in. A little better look. It's 3/8 OD, 1/4 inch ID, and then it's got a 3/4 inches long with it's what they call the flanged bushing. I was using 2 arms, but the single arm works fine, and you can see back there. You just press the bushing in, and now the bolt rides within a oil light bushing. A gentleman on one of my other videos said I did it too fast and he didn't understand, but single arm works fine, but with this you're tightening it up against that flange, and now you're giving it a little bit of a bearing surface to work on. So that's it on that. Oh, that's going to be awful close to that. Anyway, I got plenty of adjustment right here. So let me press on. All right, we're pretty much finished on it. The wiring come out really good. We ran it under the motor. The coil's on the back post, not on the front post. We ran into an issue with the carburetor. The cuts in the carburetor were really long on the particular carburetor, but also on the intake, the snout seemed short. So what I'm going to do is I'm fixing to make a video post a video after this one, how we fix that. But I got another carburetor coming for it. I'm just waiting for it to get in. The bike runs really good and everything, but I needed the jet that came on the original carburetor was a little too big. It was 4-stroking just a little bit, so I wanted to get that out before, you know, he picks the bike up. Also want to put a silencer on that pipe. It's louder than we really like it to be, because we go through neighborhoods and stuff, and we're going to be riding these things a lot. I really don't want to disturb anybody or make anybody mad, or, you know, make the cops mad, or the policemen. I'm sorry for saying cops. The policemen mad, or anybody like that, or neighbors or people in the community. So we're going to I am going to put a silencer on it. But anyway, stay tuned for the carburetor fix, because it's going to interest you, the difference between the carburetor and the intake, because this thing would just run away. You snap the throttle off and it was like getting no gas but a lot of air, and I found out that's what it was. So y'all have a good day. Check out for the next video. I'm sure you'll enjoy it, but this is the Dragonfly, and y'all have a great day.